You said the prices range from 500 to
to 750
750.
in Bloom.
Okay. Does it take a certain health to actually do it? Or even if maybe you ill, maybe you have illnesses, you can also take such stuff.
Okay, so if you heard Naledi reading, most of the things are natural. It's usually things that your own body actually produces, but again, as we grow, it declines the production and all that stuff. So this is super healthy. So when I get there, Tola ilimukiti, hulimunat, and this lady comes out with her beer and she's like, yeah, this is okay. And I was like, you were actually supposed to ask me before I come because it's a house call. I'm driving, you're supposed to ask before I come, Hori, I'm drinking alcohol, can we still do it? But because of these, like I'm saying, mostly it's vitamins, like you saw, it's still safe even if you are consuming. Because I always say, ladies, if you're having your ladies what's, invite me for your drips and then I can do it and it doesn't have to interfere with whatever activities that you're doing. So yeah. And then prices range from 500 to 750, like I said. Medical aid does not cover it. Ne? Most people like
It's
to
very
ask that
important to
question.
mention, yeah.
Yeah, but all my services, except for two, the drips and the abortion, is the only thing that the medical aids do not cover. But all my other services, STI treatment, etc., everything else, family planning, contraceptions, all that medical aid covers.